Reopening UK schools endangering children's lives and health? School children in the UK are at great risk now that school is back in session. Infections with COVID-19 have risen sharply after the government eased restrictions. On September 12, the UK had 29,173 daily cases, with 971 fatalities, up 22.6%. The greatest cases, according to Public Health England, increased by 42% among 10 to 19-year-olds in the week ending the 4th of September, FE. The vaccination is recommended for 12 to 15-year-olds, according to a Downing Street news briefing on Monday. Vaccination is not required for those under the age of 12. It has been disputed that schools are significant transmission routes and have minimized the risks to youngsters. Less important than the 80 children who perished from the pandemic virus are the tens of thousands of people who have long COVID. In an open letter to Health Minister Gavin Williamson on the 3rd of September, the BMJ, previously the British Medical Journal, chastised the government for allowing the mass infect of children. On August 19, when schools resumed in Scotland, COVID instances rose at all times throughout the epidemic to the greatest level. Despite the continued use of masks, COVID-related absenteeism rose to 38,361 on Tuesday. From September 5 to 7, almost 3,500 kids aged 5 to 19 tested positive. 18 schools in Fermanagh and Omagh District Council asked the Education Authority for guidance on COVID instances. Students classified as close contacts wouldn't have to isolate themselves for 10 days. However, they may come back to their lessons when testing negatives or if they do not have symptoms on day 2. On day 8, they must repeat the coronavirus PCR test. 59 students at Stamford Endowed Schools in Lincolnshire were isolated starting September 9. There were 62 UK school breakouts during the week ending September 13, according to Safe Ed for All statistics. This is an underestimate since neither the government nor the unions publish schools with COVID infections. Only Daniela Modo's Cutter can monitor the breakouts. Throughout the epidemic, education unions pushed the myth that mitigation alone can make schools safe. For the fall semester, the National Education Union, in collaboration with the GMB, Unison, and Unite, produced Coronavirus, Joint Union Safety Checklist for Schools. Many parents who take their kids out of school are harassed by labor-controlled authorities and threatened with fines and jail time.